Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss definitely did break up pretty nice on the 4 hour time frame. So if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame below, you definitely could be looking for longs. But because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frame is down, we have to kind of presume that anything we see to the upside very likely could just be a pullback to the last wave down, and it very easily could continue the higher time frame downtrend after making likely a three-way pullback. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, you definitely could be looking for logs. And while you're looking for logs, if you see some sort of a three-way pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then a big reversal back down to the downside, then you definitely want to stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. Unless we get a big break of structure to the upside on like the daily time frame, you need to assume and presume that anything you see up is likely just a pullback to the downtrend. So you potentially could be looking for longs on the 1 hour time frame and below, while hopefully you learn and earn at the same time, whether it's a pullback to the downtrend or whether it turns into a potential trend reversal on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.